The vault is the AI evidence layer for commodity finance. It runs on device. Sensitive evidence never leaves the operator's country. Here we choose the clean offtake and run the evidence. A real local model reasons over 5 evidence sources: offtake, receipt, settlement, anomaly, compliance, and returns a confidence score with cited rationales. %96 finance ready. Every source has a verdict, an impact, and a reason, and it's run here. The AI engine is local using the Gemma open source model. We're gonna run again, and this time we choose the settlement mismatch block. Now the settlement record references a different lot and buyer, same documents, but the cash flow anchor fails. Let's wait for the block result. Here is blocked at 35, but evidence never becomes financeable. Here we have different mechanisms. Verification, we're going to choose the drought one. And for drought, same 60% delivery, opposite outcomes. A drought protects the small cooperative, zero loss. Producer fraud protects the senior financier. The cause the AI detected selects which rule fires. This is the part nobody else does. AI reasons over the evidence, deterministic, red teamed math moves the money, and it runs on the edge